I'm Catherine Madsen. I'm the bibliographer at the Yiddish Book Center, and my favorite Yiddish word is Kavyokhl. It means so to speak, and it comes from a Talmudic term, Kavyokhl, which also means so to speak, and it's used in the Talmud and commentaries to indicate anthropomorphic language, so that nobody should take it to mean that God really has a mighty hand and an outstretched arm. It's just, this is an image. So, you say so to speak. But in Yiddish, it actually substitutes for God's name in somewhat the same way as Hashem, so that you'll get a phrase like, Hot Kavyokhl gesagt, so to speak, said. And I think it's wonderful. I think there's something a little subversive about it, philosophically speaking. So that's my word.